Okay, today we'll do solve problems involving measures of dispersion for group data. So let's look at example 13. There's a survey on the duration of time in hours. This one spent by customers to buy goods in a supermarket is carried out. The results of the survey are shown in the ogive on the right. Okay, you can see it here. So you are asked to construct a frequency table. What is a frequency table? Do you still remember? For the time taken by the customers, time taken by the customers to buy goods in the supermarket using the classes. Okay, you have these classes. This one, there are 5 classes. And you need to make the frequency table. Okay, if you still remember how to make frequency table, you need to have a what? You need to have a table. You need a table with 2 columns. 2 columns. And because you have 5 classes just now, so you'll make 5 rows here. Plus this, the heading will be 6. So you give title. This one is the classes. I think classes should not be a problem because you just write back the classes. And then just give the title. What is the title? This one is what? The classes is what? The classes you can get from the graph. It is time in hours. So you just put here the time. Time in hours. You just put the unit here. And then the next one will be the frequency. So frequency is what? This is the frequency, but this is the cumulative. You'll find only the frequency, not the cumulative. But what does this figure tell you? Time spent by customers. So this is number of customer. Number of customer. So you write it here. And then you find your frequency here. But you cannot take the value here from the upper boundary. This one, you'll take it from here, but you have to do something with it, because all these are cumulative frequency. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So first, this is your frequency table. This is what we plan to do just now. So you just copy back the classes. Copy back the classes. And you don't have to add the zero frequency, because zero frequency for this one, zero frequency is only for you to draw the graph. If you don't have this zero frequency, your graph will start here and it will be floating, and it looks very weird. Okay, but remember, again, I repeat, you don't have to put the zero frequency, this one, no need. So your first class 0.5 to 0.9, this first class will start here. Will start here. 0.95 is the upper boundary. It's the upper boundary. So what you do, you just find the cumulative frequency first. Just find the cumulative frequency 6. And then for this one, 1.45 is the second class. You can see here the upper limit 1.4, and the upper boundary is 1.45. Yeah. Okay, so you get the value here. It is 2022. Yeah, 2022. All these are the cumulative frequency. Yeah, but you get all the value first. So for the third class, this one, and you go up here, then you turn left, find the value here. So it's 54. And then next, the fourth class will be this one. Okay, the value you can see here, value is, put the arrow next time when you do this in your exercises or in your exam, put the arrow. It shows the value 70. Okay, and then for the last class will be this one. Yeah, this one, 2.95. Okay, go up and then go to the left here. Okay, sorry, 80. Okay, all these are the cumulative frequency. Okay, you have 5 classes, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also cumulative frequency, but you cannot write it here because this is for frequency, not the cumulative frequency. So what you do, the first one is correct, 6. Yeah, because you get 6 from 0 plus 6. Remember when you want to do the cumulative frequency, but this time we do the reverse. Yeah, we do the reverse. For the second one, is, okay, I clear this one first. Okay, for the second frequency, you know that you can get the frequency from the cumulative frequency here, 22. Yeah, here 22 minus, because 22 you get from 6 plus something, you get 22. Yeah, so your unknown will be 22 minus 6. Yeah, 22 minus 6, because you want to find here the value of here. You don't want to include 6. Yeah, so you minus, so you'll get 16. So you write 16 here. Okay, so for the next frequency, you know that it is 54, right? So 54, you have to minus with 22. Yeah, you have to minus with 22. Here you can see. And then 70, you have to minus with 54. Yeah, you get all this value. You do the reverse, you minus. Before this, you plus, right? You add one by one. You accumulate. Yeah, but this time you have to minus because you are doing the reverse. Okay, so when you total this one, just to check, yeah, whether you get it right or not, you should get 80. Yeah, when you total everything here. Okay, so you are done with your frequency table. Yeah, to make it better, to make it clear. So this is your frequency table. Okay, next question is what? Next question is this one, yeah, estimate the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, it is your this one. The symbol is this one. So you have to remember your formula. How to use your formula? You have to make your table first, yeah. So it's just a repetition to you. What do? You take this one, you write back. This will be your frequency, and you have to add. Yeah, you have to add your table to be like this. Okay, I show you this one. This one already you know, and then you remember you need to find your x. That is your midpoint, because your formula for mean, if you remember lah, formula for mean is the sum of fx over sum of f, yeah, the frequency. So you need this one. That's why you add the x because it is in classes form. You need to find the midpoint. Yeah, your x will be the midpoint. So how to find the midpoint? Once again, you plus lower and upper limit, you divide by 2. Yeah. Okay. Then the next column is because you want to find your fx, so you will have fx, yeah, the column. Okay, enough, complete for your mean. You can find your mean here, yeah. Okay, next you add 2 more columns here because you want to use the formula of standard deviation, yeah. The formula is the square root of total fx, but this one fx square, divide by total f minus with the mean square, yeah, with the mean, and you square it. So that's why you add another column x square, and then after that you times with your f, yeah, then you get your fx. Everything is here already lah. So your fx will be here. Your mean, you'll get the mean from here, yeah, this one, and then your total fx will be from here, yeah? So very easy. What you do is this one, you just write back with this one, and then midpoint, you find it from here. I explained you already just now. You get the midpoint, then you do the fx, yeah. Okay, fx will be here, and then you just square your x, and then you times with your f. Okay, so all this value will get, yeah, it's very routine for you already. So what you do, the first one, you must find mean. This is the first thing you do. You must find your mean, because in standard deviation you have to use mean. So remember, total fx 140 divided by total frequency 80. So you get this one exactly, 1.75. No rounding off. So you can use this directly. Yeah, it's not rounded off. Okay, so this one, this is your fx square divided by total frequency, this one, minus this one. You square it, remember, and then use your calculator. You get this one, you square it, square root it, you'll get 0.55 hours. Yeah, so you get the answer. So how you make a conclusion? How you just say that your mean is 1.75 hours. So most of the customer will use nearly 1.75 hours. yeah, in the supermarket, spending time in the supermarket. The standard deviation is 0.55 hours. Yeah? We don't know whether this is small or this is big. We know it when we compare. Yeah, when we compare with another set of data. So just answer like this lah. Yeah. So then you can do 7.2D. 7.2D, this time you are given a histogram. Yeah. And then you are asked this one is very easy, B, yeah, to calculate the mean and standard deviation. Okay. See how you do it. Relax. Don't panic. I know you can do it. Yeah. Read the questions carefully. Question carefully. And then you compare, okay, your standard deviation with this one. Only for 6 to 8.9. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So I'll leave it to you. Yeah. Take your time to do it. And please don't delay. Do it now. Okay, all the best. You can do it.